That's a Starburst. Not in your mouth like that. No, 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 no. Right there. Mama's opening the one that you asked us to open, and it's a extreme sour
Warhead.
Warhead. Yeah.
There you go.
Let's see. Suck on it. No, you don't bite. Oh.
Oh my god.
You like that one? Apparently not.
Oh my god.
Guess you need up on the floor. You didn't like that candy?
Yes.
The center of it's got even more sour.
I know, the center of it's like a foam.